Hi and welcome to O Scholars tutorial. I'm Jay and this tutorial will be talking about reports categories. And the logged in account is Boma Jeremiah and the person is an admin. Now we'll use this see more button to actually view more dashboards. And down the page we'll have this particular dashboard called report categories. We can create report categories and view already existing report categories. Now a report category is like we have at the end of each when a particular report has been prepared, the report can be classified into some categories, and those categories and the condition under for those categories, what we are going to save here, and they become the configuration which the school will be operating on. And we will start by viewing already created configuration by clicking view report categories. We have all report categories. We have one is withdrawn, the other withdrawal, the other one failed, the other one is passed. Then this one can be we can edit it, we can activate it by because it's already deactivated. This one failed, we can look at it. When we look at it, we find out that the items there, while that the name is filled, the condition is that an F9 in either English or mathematics, having F9 in any other three or more subjects. Well, under this condition, the report category of fields can now be used by the form teacher to actually grade a particular report. Now we have that the position is 2 also. Then we can actually go forward to create a report category. Now remember that the one that was already created there is withdrawal. Let's create withdrawn instead of withdrawal. Now we call it withdrawn. Then the condition is that the person has repeated his or her current class more than once. Then it can also be because of indecent behaviors. Indecent behavior by the student. Now the position can be 3, position 3, and save. Becomes one of those ones. So right now how that the name is withdrawn, the condition that the person has repeated his or her current class more than once. It can also be because of indecent behavior by the student. Our position to be 3. We can then view all of them just as we have viewed before. Then find out that withdrawn content of them, withdrawal, there is deactivated, failed, and passed. So when the form teacher is preparing the report, have prepared a report card, you can either mark each of the report cards to be either passed, failed, or withdrawn. Thank you for checking out this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and make sure your school is signed up for Scholars. Goodbye.